What is the birth rate and death rate, and what is the difference between these two? Since it is a rate, that means Janma dar, Mrityu dar. Rate means it is with respect to something. So crude birth rate is expressed as the number of live birth in a year per 1,000 women. So if there are 1,000 women and they are producing around 35 kids who are live, they are live births. So this 35 number is your birth rate. Similarly, in 1,000 people, if you take number of deaths in a particular year, say it is 50 people are dying in 1,000. If you take from a particular population, you take 1,000 and 50 dies. So this 50 is the crude death rate. How we compute it? CBR is B by P into 1,000. This B is the live birth during a year in a country, and P is the population in mid-year. So if you say that population in the mid-year is 10,000, I am taking an example, and live births during a year in a country is say 500, you multiply by 1,000, what do you get? This 50. So 50 is the crude birth rate according to these parameters. Now coming here, CDR. CDR is computed by D by P into 1,000. D is the number of death in a year in that country, and P is the mid-year population for that year. So say the population is again 10,000. And now taking an example, say number of deaths in an year is say 1,000 multiplied by 1,000. What do you get? 100. 100 is the crude death rate. It's also called as natality and mortality. That is, the birth rate is in a given population is called natality. Birth rate corresponds to natality, and death rate corresponds to the mortality. Again, let me re-emphasize that birth rate refers to the total number of live births per 1,000. So live births per 1,000 in a given population during a given time period or a year. So it can be a time period, it can be a year. It's not necessary that it has to be only year. While the death rate refers to the measure of number of deaths. So number of deaths or the number of deaths per 1,000 individuals per year. If you talk about India, death rate is 7.3 deaths per 1,000 in 2020. Again, birth rate is 18.2 births per 1,000 population. And in 2017, Nagaland has the lowest IMR, infant mortality rate. That is, the kids who are dying are just 7. And followed by Goa, then Kerala, and Madhya Pradesh is having the highest number. 47 kids are dying. This is the highest rate. Taking some example, which state among the following has the low infant mortality rate? Means the kids who are born where in this space, in these 4 regions, they die less. The answer is B, Kerala. The difference between the birth rate and the death rate is called the natural growth rate. Birth rate minus death rate is natural growth rate. And which of the following continents has the highest growth of population? That is Africa. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.